In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user and add this user to a particular group. The first thing we need to do is to go to the group listing page where you have a listing of all the groups. And now in the menu we have an option that's called Manage Users. I click this one. Here we have a link to create a new user. Let's click it. The first thing you need to do is to give this user a username. You can fill in the user details and the user email. You can select a password if you have one predefined, or just let Chrome generate a password for you. Once you're done, we click the register button. We get a message that the user was successfully created. If I go back to the Manage User menu, we'll see that this user is now available. The next step is to go inside one of the groups. Let's say I'm going to go inside this group. I need to go to the rightmost side of the top menu and click the Manage User link. You will see that there are currently no users in this group. I need to click the Add User to a Group button. Here I start typing the username and autosuggest comes up, and the username we can select it from the list that's suggested to us. Then we have two options, just as before. One is an admin user and one is a member user. I'm going to add this user as an admin user. We click the Add User to a Group. Now this user has access to this group with the password that you used to create it. If I go now to Manage Users, you will see here that I have this new user added to the group. If you want to remove a user from a group, you can just click the delete icon beside the username. So, two steps. First, we click the Manage User, we add a new user, we create a user and we give it a password, and then we go inside the group. We find the link that's Manage Users but for this particular group, and we add this user to the group.